Generating energy using renewable technologies eliminates the harmful release of CO2 that is typical of traditional power production. However, since we can't guarantee exactly when the wind will blow or when the sun will shine, we must use tools to help us manage the green energy infrastructure of the future. Compressed air energy storage, or CAES, is one such tool. CAES is a technology that can store energy on a large scale and therefore is able to provide the necessary services that allow system operators to manage the increasing amounts of renewables connecting to the grid. CAES uses caverns created within underground salt to contain the compressed air. For decades, salt caverns have been used to store energy in the form of oil and gas. So the methods used to create these caverns are well understood, and now we can use these same methods but to store green energy instead. Let's see how CAES works. Using compressors at ground level, air is pumped into the underground caverns. These caverns store the pressurized air until its energy is needed to generate electricity. This high pressure air is then released back up to the turbines at ground level. High pressure air, with some preheating from hydrogen derived from renewable sources, drives these turbines, which then generate electricity. This CAES project has been designed to generate up to 330 megawatts of power for periods of up to 6 to 8 hours, enough to meet the energy needs of over 200,000 homes. It will also create demand on this system of 200 megawatts from its compressors, helping system operators to balance supply with demand. 2 caverns will be created in the northern eastern part of the Netherlands, at about 1,500 meters below ground. The process used to create these caverns is called solution mining. It uses water to gradually dissolve salt and create a cavity. This cavity is then increased by dissolving more salt until the right volume and shape of cavern has been created. The dissolved salt is removed from the cavity as a brine solution and reused for existing industry processes. The whole process will take about 3 years to complete. The CAES Netherlands project is the key that will unlock the potential for renewable energy to be used across Europe, therefore crucially realising the continent's ambitious and essential climate change targets. The project is officially recognised as a European project of common interest, meaning that the EU Commission acknowledges this true socio-economic potential. Corre Energy, the future of sustainable energy.